Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the gear. Make sure the case and earbuds hold at least half charge so pairing is stable. Once done, open the case and remove both earbuds. They power on and enter pairing mode automatically. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep the device visible. You want a strong signal and minimal interference. Move closer to the source and close other Bluetooth devices if needed. This reduces dropouts and speeds pairing. With Bluetooth active, find and select Tozo A1 in your devices list. You should see both earbuds connect as a single stereo pair. Once paired, practice touch controls. One tap on the right plays or pauses, use left to summon your voice assistant, long press adjusts volume or skips tracks depending on settings. Make sure you achieve a good ear seal using the supplied tips. A proper seal improves bass, call clarity, and passive noise reduction. If audio is one-sided, reseat the earbud and repeat pairing. To finish, always return earbuds to the charging case when not in use. Closing the lid powers them off and recharges automatically, so you preserve battery life. If behavior is inconsistent, reset by placing both buds in the case and holding the touch sensors for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes, then repair. One key troubleshooting tip. If connection fails or only one bud plays, unpair the Tozo A1 from your device, toggle Bluetooth off and on. Then pair again. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.